Are they dumping undead bodies in the river?
What was that?
What the? These niggas got a pet shark? Yo. It's your boy. Jay go crazy. What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Jay go crazy. And we are here, we are back with the Resident Evil 4. Now, if you look into my eyes, I might seem like I'm a little tired, because I am. But we're going to crank this joint out for you. Because you feel me? I care about y'all, and I actually want to get back to playing this game. So, without further ado, we're going to hop back into this thing, good buddy. And see what this game is still got all about. Well, never mind. Let me not say that no more, because this game is fucking insane. But let's go. Alright. Y'all already know the saying. Come on. Say it with me. Anything but a chicken wing, good buddy. Let's get it. Let's see what other creature they got. You know, come after us. Since they want to bring in mutants and shit. So let's see what they got in store. Let's go.
Welcome. Well then, what can I do you for?
I don't think I need nothing from you. So the last thing I remember is we had to fight that whole town full of death people. They want to chase somebody around. First of all, that's not. Okay, there we go. Big metal doors. Let's see where this goes. Great. Oh shit. Game just started. I'm already gotta go up against you bastards. Oh. Now, partner, I need you to shh. Don't turn around. Just don't turn around. That's all we gotta do. You shut your mouth. Oh, there's another dude. Oh, hey, sir, we can talk about this. Get off me. The game just started. Sit there. Game just started, young. Hold on. Put it down. Lady, don't you? I'm gonna keep. Yep. Ow! Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm gonna keep shooting you in the face, ma'am. Sit down. Okay, she did. Had to make sure. She was making too much noise. I don't fuck with that. When you die, you die. Oh, God. Oh, no, we're good on health. Actually, yeah, we're good on health. I thought I reorganized this dang thing. That looks pretty organized, right? Okay. I don't have that. So rifle ammo it is. Push you there. Let's push you right there. Alright. All that rifle ammo. Alright, let's go. More resources. Take that off your hands, good buddy. I don't know what that... Oh, that's for that little thing. I'm probably not going to use that, but okay. Wait at. Just walk around it. Just go around it. Anything up here that could be used? Nope. Okay. Let go. Oh, great. We're going back into the woods. These crows big as hell. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all got it. What is it? Is that a bomb up? Okay. Thank you. Got more ammo. Hey, 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 hey. I don't know what it is with you crows. Bunch of dead skulls. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, could call your ass on somewhere. Big ass crows. Why is it? Ugh. Okay. What's in here? What's this? What is that? There better not be a man with a chainsaw. There better not be a man with a chainsaw in here. Sounds like a man with a chainsaw, doesn't it? Get sick of these bear traps! Oh my god! Why are they everywhere? How much health I got left? Okay, we're fine. Goddamn bear traps is everywhere, yo. Like, come on, bruh. Oh! Back up off me! Back up! Back up! There's a man with a chainsaw behind me! Oh, I got some for that now. Grenade, nigga! Stay down! Oh, I blocked it! Oh yeah, I'm fighting back. Oh yeah, I'm fighting back. He ain't dead. Stay dead. Stay dead. Stay. God, stay dead. Stay down. Stay dead. Oh shit. No. Oh, I got it. Surprise. Oh, that is physically not possible. That should not be possible. Sit down and stay there. Oh my god, you know what? Hold on. Maybe if I hit you with a in the ass. Okay. Hold on, brother. Oh. I'm aim. Oh!
That was not easy.
Giving me heart attacks and I don't care if I'm wasting ammo. My head itch. Now y'all might be wondering, Jay, why did you waste them bullets? I don't care. That man put me through distress. Let's go. I need to fix my knife, actually. I don't have another knife, do I? Nope, that shit is broken. Yeah, so if I run out of ammo, I'm fucked. Okay. House full of witches. That's what this look like right here. Okay, don't have to keep it there. Look, I understand. I wasted bullets. But that man needed a couple bullets shot in his ass. Okay? A couple more than usual. Oh, y'all putting these joints in brushes. Oh, y'all playing. And we got some more resources. See, look at that. 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 We just got some more resources. There we go. See, look at that. More pistol ammo. There is no need to fear. So what we gotta go through here? Oh. Niggas just leaving their back doors open? Excuse me. I mean... Ah, it's a man on the toilet! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb your peace, brother. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that man was taking his daily shit, and I disturbed that man of his peace. I'm so sorry.
Not too shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
What's that? Oh, that could be used for health. Okay. Okay, I got another small key.
Old photos.
Fuck is that? Photos of what though? What did they write here? Are these the people that lived here? At least flesh of our flesh, blood of our blood. What? I might have said that completely wrong. I don't care. Okay, we now got another grenade. That's good. Got some more moolah. Can I open this? Nope, I'm not opening it. Alright, let's check upstairs. Okay, we got a save point. Let's save that right here, bro. I'm not playing these games. No, ma'am. Alright, there we go. Fuck. My nigga. Let me in the... Oh, I don't have nothing. Great master of people offer the old farmer his finest crop. Oh, that's the code to downstairs. Crop pig baby. Okay. That's what that is. That's exactly what this is. Crop. I'm guessing this is a pig. Baby. Thank you very much. I'll take that off your hands, good buddy. Oh, no, no, sir. No, sir, no, sir. No, sir, no, ma'am. No, sir, no, ma'am. No, sir, no, ma'am. No, sir, no, ma'am. You stay your ass away from me. You stay that ass away from me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, there we go. It works. God damn, lunatic. We got some more gunpowder. Oh, we can't craft no more because we ain't got no more. Okay. Yes, sir. Let's get in this room. That's the jump to the door. Yeah, right. Oh! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, bullets don't work on him. Okay. My nigga, you done broke a shoulder or something. Ah! Oh! Brother, we can talk about this. How you doing?
The blood has accepted the gift.
Who shot him? Oh, it's her! I remember her. Oh, she's from Resident Evil 2. Yeah. I remember her. I guess so.
Gift? My blood?
Okay.
Bruce Condor 1, I've got that intel you requested on Louis Serra. It seems he used to be a researcher for Umbrella.
Umbrella? I should have left him in that bag to rot.
I'm sending you the details. Take a look, but Baby Eagle is your priority.
Copy that. Making my way to the church. Condor 1, out.
Alright. Before I get to anything. Oh no. Hey, that's the dude from the dream. Before I get to anything. Brother Leon. Your back don't hurt. You ain't got no shoulder pain. What the hell? Ain't nothing wrong with you, huh? Shoulder don't hurt, back don't hurt, your throat don't hurt. I mean, man just Spartan kicked you. What is this you need two people to do? I can ease Leon. If you can do a backflip, brother, you can jump up there and grab that. I'm just being quite frank with you. I don't know what is this about this two people thing. But you can get up there and get that. I don't know why he faking it. That's what I'm saying. This man Leon ain't man feels no pain. Alright. Oh no!
You too, huh?
Oh, it's a dog. Hey, buddy. Oh, hey, bud.
Take care of yourself, buddy.
Oh, where you go? No, come back. Oh, my man got caught in the trap and all that. I hope he alright. He'll be alright. He a soldier out here in these streets. Okay? There you go. Ooh. First of all, I know it's a wolf. But I say dog. So it won't attack me. Okay, I know it's a wolf. It's a full-fledged wolf. Thank you very much. Okay. And leave my man's Wolfie alone. Okay. And make sure my man's was good. Even though I don't know bucko. Going in the dark ass caves and shit. Leon, pull that dang flashlight out, bro. Oh, never mind. You don't need to. Oh. Wolfie! I gotta give him a name. I'll think about it. I'll think of a name to give him. Oh, great. I gotta deal with another town situation. Oh, no. This is back in the town. Where do I have to go? Oh, I have to head to the church. So right here, then. Oh, no. I mean, I done looted this whole place. Oh, great. So I can't go that way. So I have to walk this way. Hello? Hello? Church villagers? Nobody. Okay. Holy shit! Oh, those are not regular fucking wolves! Get me in here! Get me in here! Get me in here, bro. Oh no. Oh no. What the hell I'm gonna do with a vintage compass? Where that damn compass at? Oh, I got some herbs and stuff I can mix. Hold on. Before we do that. Craft. Let's craft you two together. And while we're at it, hold on, I ain't done. Let's eat that egg right there. Save me the time and energy. Alright, now back to the task at hand. What the hell size wolves? I shot one of them in the face. I need to get... Okay, that's the church. Yeah, so I have to go through this door right here. I'm gonna run for it. Oh, fuck this game. Ah! No! Back your crazy ass up! Back up! Back up! No! Oh, I got a grenade. Yep. Oh, I don't have the ammo to be fighting y'all. I really don't. So this is what I'm about to do. Oh no, I'm not opening the door so y'all can come in here. Hold on. It ain't do shit to him! That's two. There's one more. No! No! Oh no! I need ammo. These damn dogs big as hell. Please, people, please, no more. No more wolves, okay? Oh shit! God damn, what is up with you people? Keep stabbing me! Die! Now I gotta heal. Now I gotta heal. I can't do nothing because I have a broken knife. Ain't no kitchen knives in here, nothing, brother. No, there is not. Of course there isn't. Okay. I know y'all want shotgun ammo. Thank you. I've been waiting for shotgun ammo for the longest, bro. I've been waiting for shotgun ammo for the longest, yo. Alright, let's go. Excuse me. I need to get over there, right? I'm not going through that again. I know. I'm trying. I'm just trying to figure out what the hell. This is not making any sense right now. Because I can't, it says get to the church. That's the only thing that looks like a fucking church. And I don't know how to get to the church. Let's get back up to the roof. I gotta go over there. I gotta go through that house. Oh! So y'all talking about that church. So that ain't shit compared to that. Oh. My fault. I thought you was talking about that church. Fuck is that moving? Oh, that's the dude. Excuse me, sir. I understand you digging up a body, but I can't be dealing with you. Shh. Go to sleep and die peacefully. Yeah, I gotta start upgrading them weapons, because them weapons ain't doing enough. I mean, we gonna round up a whole bunch of cash, and we just gonna I don't think nobody else is out here actually, right? You know, I don't think nobody else is. Yeah, we gonna round up a whole bunch of cash on here, and we're gonna start upgrading these guns, man. Some of these guns need some more power, some more kick to it. Alright, here we go. To the church. Of course the church got a lock on it.
Condor 1 to Roost. The church is sealed up.
And Baby Eagle?
Negative. Nothing yet. But they sure do have this place locked up tight.
I see. I can think of one reason they'd want to do so.
Oh, she's here. That's for sure. I'll find a way in. Condor 1, out.
Okay, okay. So the girl is in here. It's cool. I'm guessing this gotta be another way around. I don't want to go through that right now. Let's check all other variables first before we do anything. Okay, I can climb up to the roof. I think I'm gonna go climb up to that roof. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Look at that, some more stuff we could sell. Look at that. Guess let's get up here to this roof. Ain't nothing up here but a damn flash grenade. Y'all made it seem like I'm gonna be up there. Go, Leon, get down. First of all, so from that fall, you'll probably break a leg. I'm not gonna hold you. Actually, I don't know. You'll probably feel something in your leg though. That's pretty something fall. Oh, I'm thinking. Keep her locked in the church until appointed time. Wow, y'all got her hostage. Oh yeah. Push for he outside. He's woman for the ear. Locked her near the church and out the orders for the Lord. Okay, so she's in the cave.
Lake. Let's hope for no more surprises.
Okay, we're getting diamonds and mess. Let's save that right there, good buddy. There we go. Yeah. In order for us to go that way, we gotta go that way. Okay. Fuck us down here. Oh, they have dead people down here. Wait, excuse me. Oh, that's just... Oh, okay. I mean, that's cool. Onward, then. Ow! Look at you, look at you, look at you. Caught yourself on fire. You're not even affected by fire, brother? Don't y'all come down here. I'm gonna keep shooting you dead in you. Hey, 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 hey! Oh my god, I shot the hatchet! Huh. Shoot the barrel!
Not bad, right?
Okay, there's a lot going on right now. Sir. Sir. Just stay dead for me. No! You will not come back to haunt me. Let's go. We got more shotgun shells. Got some loot in here. Gunpowder, great. We always... Oh, that's a snake. Woo! Oh, he scared the hell out of me. All right, let's go. Shit! That's why you fucking missed, you dickhead. Don't you throw that shit. Oh, that's behind me. Drop down. Oh! Ma'am, lady. Drop the goddamn thing. Drop it. I'm not playing with you. Oh, the snake! Oh my god! I'm getting my ass beat by a bunch of old people. Wait. For that ass! And stay there. And you stay your ass dead too. I want to blow that up. But I'm gonna wait. Because it might be for another reason. Okay, we got a grenade now. Thank you, sir. Oh, what's that? Oh, another grenade? Oh, yeah, we take those, brother. Anything else up here before I go back down? Shit! Fuck it. Shut up! Back up! That man took like 3 shotgun bullets. Oh my god. Come on! Come on! Dumbass. Sir!
Sorry, must have slipped.
Alright, let's go. We ain't got no more ammo on that jump. Which way to hell? Oh, it's a mining shaft. You got to be shitting me. Okay, that's fine. Let's go. We got more some machine gun ammo. Now, Leon, I don't... Can't you do like a flip over these things? Guess we gotta go this way then. Oh, this looks like some bullshit. Oh, yep. I'm about to go to war.
Good luck finding someone big enough to use this thing.
Wait a minute, that's big as hell. I sweat. Pause this. Resident Evil. I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. If you make me have to go up against somebody big enough to pick that thing up and swing that at me, we're gonna have a problem. Mark my words. We're gonna have a serious problem if somebody's big enough to pick that thing up and swing that at me. Okay? Do not do that. Now, before I go, why? Oh, I can use that for health? That's weird. You can use that for health. The hell? Shotgun bullets, shotgun bullets, shotgun bullets. Thank you. We need all of it. Let's move you up. Yeah, this don't look very organized. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the organization. Alright, we got the ammo we need. Getting more ammo about a second. Which means I'm probably about to go to war with... Oh, yep. Alright, fuckers. I already know what's coming. Bring it on now. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down. Stay there. That's one. Yeah. Why does it sound like this enough? Ah! Oh, shit! Ugh! Why does it sound like somebody huge is around me? Stay there! You damn dog! Shut up! Do it again. Oh no, that sounds like a huge person. Where's that coming from? Oh, whoever is back. Oh no, I don't want. Oh no, please don't make me have to fight that man. Whatever is behind that damn thing, keep it back there. I don't want to throw hands with that man. He might be a lovely guy, not for me. Where is the key at so I can use this thing? No, that's the key, right? So why can't I use it? I guess. Okay. Purple frames. So that means a safe haven? This look nice.
Why not treat yourself, mate?
Is that a grenade? I know that's not a grenade launcher. Hold on, excuse me. Before we do anything, hexagon pieces. All right. We're gonna cross this fat ass lake. How I zoom in? Oh! Fuck. Are they dumping undead bodies in the river?
What was that?
What the? These niggas got a pet shark? I know. Oh no, they got a pet shark in the water. I'm not getting in that water, bro. I don't want no parts of that water. No, there is a big ass fish thing in this water. No, y'all gotta be fucking with me today. Hey yo. Oh no. Map is updated. The hell? Oh, I guess I'm supposed to go this way too. Oh wait, no, I'm not supposed to go this way. This doesn't matter. Oh, yes I do, because I need boat fuel. So eventually I have to go that way. I don't know what that was. That binocular ain't give me a good. Oh! This nigga Leon just jumping. Oh, hexagon pieces. Oh, that's cool. I need some more though. I want to know what that damn thing is, but I don't want to go in the water and see it. That's my only thing. I don't want to get in that water and see that damn thing. Was that more shotgun shells? Yes, sir. What is that swimming? That's not a fish sounding that big. Oh, hell no. We gotta go get the boat fuel anyway. I don't know how they expect me to fight that thing. And they better have a... I better get a grenade launcher or something to throw hands with that. Because there's no way in hell I'm fighting that with the weapons I have at my disposal. I need a rocket launcher, grenade launcher. Shit, call in the airstrike. Matter of fact, let's nuke the whole entire place. That little girl can't be that much worth it. Oh, this is like some bullshit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go through some shit here. Oh! God damn it. Oh no, I can't go up against another one of you. I cannot go up against another one of you. Fuck else is in this water with me, yo? Oh, that's a snake! Stab her. Fuck. Hold on, back up. Hold on, yo. What you mean, huh? You don't see nothing. You better stop playing. You better stop acting like you see something, yo. Oh, these niggas are everywhere, young. Excuse me? Excuse me? I'm hearing too much shit, yo. I don't know if I'm being spotted. Yep, I done been spotted. Oh, shit. Woo! Yo, he is sprinting towards me! Oh my god! This game is ridiculous! That man is full sprint! Oh, jump! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, y'all need to stop playing. Y'all need to stop playing. Oh my god, hold on. I got tears coming down my eyes. Yo, this game is ridiculous, young. Fuck you! Ah! Oh shit! Pause it, pause it, pause it, pause it, pause it! I just don't understand. I just don't get it at this point. At this point, I just don't get it. Can I eat this? Okay, thank you. First of all, rearrange all of this right now. Okay. Go. Alright, I'm just gonna have to start shooting now. Oh, you gotta be shitting me! Alright, 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 alright. Lady, get your ass off of me, bitch! Is that man chasing me? That man is not chasing me. He ain't climbing up here. Oh, no, 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 no. He's climbing! Kick his ass! Woo! He's way uglier in person! Throw another one! Boom, bitch! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Sit your ass down, girl! What's wrong? Sit down! Die! Die! Bitch! You know what? I got something for that out. You missed death! Ha ha! Bitch! Alright. What? Oh! So more of you wanna come up here. Get. And stay dead. I done killed the big bad. None of you scared me no more. Let's go. Onward. I don't show no fear. Alright. Now I gotta find the boat fuel. Give me more ammo. Thank you. I appreciate it. Who the fuck? This nigga.
Alright.
Woo, boy. Clean little headshot right there. If you feel me, boy, you'll feel me. Now, like I said, I ain't scared of none of y'all. But I will walk up on you and do this, though. Saves me the trouble. Saves me the trouble. Thank you very much. And por el con usted. Yes. Aha. Aha, nigga, you can't see. Yeah. That Lord, that hurt. Ah, snake. Oh, this nigga. Fuck him off me. The fuck? Oh, that did nothing to help my cause. Thank you. I have to waste that now. Reorganize this. That's fine. Anything else over here that I need? Ah! You missed me, sucker! Stay dead. Nope, nope, nope. We're not doing that, brother. My eyesight. You ain't coming back to life, bitch. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to leave me the hell alone. Lady, I'm gonna need you. I told you, leave me the hell alone, bitch. One more dude. Yeah, you can't see, can't you? Nope. Stay dead. Go get back up out that water. Rise, my son. Yes. Oh, shit. And you're dead. Thank you. Take my ammo. Anything over here? No. Oh my god, why is there so many snakes in this game, bro? Good gracious. Anything back here? No. Okay. Okay, so the fuel is in there. First of all, I want to check what's up here. Before we go get that fuel, the hell is up here? Thank you. I'll take that off your hands, good buddy. Oh! Snip that mother. Oh, ain't nothing up here. Okay. Go back over there then. Lady. I Filestero, your ass. Get the hell away from me. Ah! Oh, okay, hold on. There we go. What's up, Snake? Let's go. Get me in here. What's over here? Loot on top of loot. I love it. You gotta love the loot. Yeah, near my. All right. Where is the boat fuel? Ah, boat fuel. Chicken egg. How's my health? Oh no, my health is fine. All right.
This is what I'm talking about.
Alright, got the fuel to the boat, people. On our way back we go. No, we're going this way. Yeah. Y'all seem very angry, but you're not gonna catch me, brother. Too quick, too fast. I ain't wasting not another bullet. Thank you. Let's go. Oh wait, I went the wrong way. Another snake. Are these people really chasing me? Are y'all that determined to kill me? Oh shit! These niggas is running! They never catch me! Excuse me! Yes, sir. Alright. Alright, we made it here. First of all, I want to add that to there. Did I check what was in here already? Yes, I did. Alright. This is what I need to do. Alright. Go back up here. We need to go back this way. Oh, let's go. Alright.
Gun rhymes with fun for a reason, stranger.
You thought that shit was supposed to be funny? I'm not laughing. Alright, y'all. This is going to be the end of the video right here. I'm going to end it right here. Whew, it's a long ass video. Whew. But it's worth it though. We got a long way. I don't know what that fish thing was in that water. I don't want to know what it is. I don't want to meet it, quite frankly. But I know we're gonna have to go up against it next episode. So yeah. I think that's pretty much it. And you know, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button because we always upload, you feel me? And I'm gonna see y'all next episode. Peace.